The Reese Explorer, the CURT basket, or OKLEAD? Perhaps the Leader Accessories cargo carrier or the ARKSEN? Which one should you buy? In this video, we will be looking at the top 5 hitch racks available on the market today, and we'll tell you which one is best for you. We made this list based on our own opinions, research, and customer reviews. We've considered their quality, features, and values when narrowing down the best choices possible. If you want more information and updated pricing on the products mentioned, be sure to check the links in the description box below. So, here are the top 5 best hitch racks. The 5th product on this list is the OKLEAD folding cargo rack. This unit is a must-have for anyone planning a long road trip with a large group of people or friends. Constructed with heavy-duty steel and finished with a matte black powder coating that resists elements, rusts, and scratches, this carrier is highly durable and long-lasting. Its mesh surface prevents smaller objects from falling through, and the 14.4-inch raised tubular side rails ensure that cargo stays in place and doesn't jolt or slide randomly. Moreover, the safety reflectors make this carrier more visible to others at night, adding an extra layer of safety and security. Installing the cargo carrier is easy, and it fits any 2-inch trailer hitch opening. With a distributed weight capacity of 500 pounds, it provides plenty of room for tie-down points. You can store bags, camping equipment, luggage, and more in its extra-large size and capacity. The OKLEAD Hitch Mount Cargo Carrier is an excellent investment for a sturdy, reliable, and easy-to-use cargo carrier that offers ample space for all your gear. Lastly, its 14.4-inch side rails prevent your cargo from falling out as you drive, making it a safe and reliable choice for any road trip. Its pros are: it has a heavy-duty steel construction with a powder-coated finish for durability and protection against rust and scratches. It has a mesh surface that prevents smaller objects from falling through, and side rails keep cargo secure. And it has a large size and weight capacity, making it ideal for hauling extra cargo on road trips or camping trips. However, while it is pretty straightforward to set up, it would be easier if there were some directions included. The OKLEAD folding cargo rack is a fantastic tool for anyone going on a long-haul road trip. Up next in 4th place is the ARKSEN folding cargo rack carrier. The ARKSEN is a heavy-duty and convenient cargo carrier that provides ample storage space for your gear, luggage, or equipment. Like the previous unit, it has a weight capacity of up to 500 pounds. This cargo carrier is constructed with a sturdy square tube steel frame and a black epoxy powder-coated finish that protects it from the elements. Featuring tall 6-inch steel tube rails that provide vertical load support during transport, this cargo carrier is easy to install at the rear of your car, SUV, RV, truck, or van. Additionally, its pull-pin design allows you to conveniently fold it up to a vertical position to save space when not in use. The cargo carrier's bolt-together design and sturdy mesh surface prevents smaller items from falling through, while the 6-inch high walls around the cargo basket keep your things secure during travel. Moreover, the cargo carrier has reflectors on the frame that adds visibility to your vehicle, promoting a safer ride. All in all, this cargo rack is a durable and reliable solution for all your hauling needs. It is an excellent option for anyone who loves camping, traveling, or outdoor adventures. Its pros are: it has a heavy-duty construction and can handle up to 500 pounds of cargo. It has built-in reflectors to make it more visible in low light conditions. And it has a folding design that allows for easy storage when not in use. However, it is fairly shallow in comparison with others on this list, so you will need additional straps or bungee cords to ensure cargo is secure during travel. The ARKSEN folding cargo rack carrier is a sturdy and versatile cargo carrier that offers ample storage space, easy installation, and enhanced safety features, making it an excellent choice for those who frequently travel or haul cargo. Still haven't found a hitch rack that meets your needs? Well, keep watching because we have more lined up for you. Meanwhile, if this is your first time visiting our channel, be sure to subscribe and hit the bell icon to receive notifications of our next videos. The 3rd product on this list is the Leader Accessories cargo carrier. Are you a camping enthusiast, a road warrior, or a tailgating aficionado? Look no further than the Leader Accessories Hitch Mount Cargo Carrier with stand. With a weight capacity of up to 500 pounds on a spacious 60 by 20 by 5-inch platform, you can load up all your gear, freeing up precious space inside the vehicle for passengers, and more importantly, snacks. But wait, there's more. This cargo carrier has a patent design table feature that turns it into a sturdy table for your camping kitchen, making it a versatile and practical choice. Cook up some delicious barbecue and enjoy it on your own private table on the go. Who says you can't have a 5-star meal in the great outdoors? The cargo carrier also features heightened sides that keep your items secure during travel, even on bumpy roads. Plus, the folding shank allows you to tilt the carrier up when not in use, making it convenient and easy to store. Constructed from durable powder-coated steel, this cargo carrier can withstand the elements, scratches, and rust, ensuring long-lasting performance. And it fits standard-inch Hitch cargo carrier receivers, making it easy to install and use. In summary, the Leader Accessories Hitch Mount Cargo Carrier with Stand is a practical and versatile choice for any outdoor adventure, allowing you to carry all your gear, cook up a storm, and have a comfortable meal on the go. Just don't forget the snacks. Its pros are: it has open legs under the basket and provides a stable table, making it a versatile option for camping and outdoor activities. It has a foldable receiver tube that allows the carrier to be tilted up when not in use, saving space. And it has a durable powder coat finish that helps protect against scratches and rust, ensuring a longer lifespan. However, it may obstruct the rear view of the driver and require additional caution while driving. The Leader Accessories Cargo Carrier is a versatile and sturdy addition to your vehicle, providing ample storage space for your camping, tailgating, or road trip essentials, while also functioning as a stable table for cooking and dining outdoors. The second product on this list is the Reese Explore ProSeries Rambler. This next hitch rack is a durable and versatile solution for those who love to hit the open road, go camping, or simply need more space. With its impressive weight capacity of 500 pounds and generous 60-inch by 24-inch platform, you will have plenty of room to pack your gear, bikes, or even your trusty lawn gnome. The rise shank design also ensures that this carrier can handle any terrain, whether you're cruising through the city or blazing a trail in the great outdoors. But wait, there's more. The Reese Rambler cargo carrier also boasts a smart, rugged mesh floor that makes cleaning up a breeze, meaning you'll have more time to relax and enjoy the great outdoors. And with its corrosion-resistant black powder coat finish, this carrier is sure to outlast any adventure you can dream up. Of course, like any product, there are a few drawbacks to consider. This carrier does weigh in at a hefty 60 pounds, so you might need a little help installing it. Additionally, bike clips and light systems are not included, so you'll need to snag those separately. Yet, overall, this is a reliable and functional choice for anyone looking to expand their vehicle's carrying capacity. So pack up your gear, grab your lawn gnome, and hit the road with confidence. Its pros are: it has durable construction and powder coat finish that resists the elements, scratches, and rust. It has a robust mesh loading bed that keeps everything secure and makes cleanup effortless. And it has a rise shank design that elevates cargo for improved ground clearance. However, it may not fit all vehicles, as it requires a 2-inch square receiver. The Reese Explore ProSeries Rambler is a durable and versatile solution for carrying bikes, gears, and other cargo on road trips, with a high weight capacity and smart design features. Before we reveal number 1, be sure to check out the description below for the newest deals on each of these items. And be sure to subscribe if you want to stay up to date on the best products on the market. Finally, the top hitch rack is the CURT Basket Cargo Carrier. Are you ready to take your traveling game to the next level? Look no further than the CURT Basket Cargo Carrier, the best hitch rack on the market today. This cargo carrier is a game changer for anyone who loves to hit the open road and needs extra space to haul their gear. Built to last, the CURT Cargo Carrier features a durable tubular steel construction that can handle up to 500 pounds of weight. You won't find better quality than this. Plus, the 6-inch high walls around the cargo basket provide added security, ensuring your gear stays in place during transport. But that's not all. The folding shank design and angled shank make it easy to attach to your vehicle and store when not in use. Plus, the integrated reflectors on the frame add visibility, making your ride safer. And let's talk about the mesh base. Not only is it easy to clean, but it's also designed to ensure maximum airflow and drainage. That means your gear stays dry and secure no matter the weather conditions. So don't settle for a cheap, flimsy cargo carrier that can't stand up to the demands of your adventures. Choose the CURT, the ultimate solution for your traveling needs. Its pros are: its mesh base is very convenient when you have a lot of gear that's likely to be muddy or wet. It features 6-inch high walls that help secure cargo during travel. It is equipped with a folding angled shank for additional ground clearance and storage convenience. And it is constructed from durable tubular steel and finished with an E-coat and carbide black powder coat for long-lasting use. However, it does require around 20 minutes or more of assembly before you can attach it to your hitch. The CURT Basket Cargo Carrier is a brilliantly designed hitch rack that provides an efficient and more secure way to haul extra belongings when on the road. That's all for now. Thanks for watching. If we helped you out in any way, please hit the like and subscribe button. We'll see you guys in the next videos.